Alright, so for all those who don't believe, Cobra Jet, lightweight S197, just ran 11.2? 11.2?
Yeah, 11.2.
124.7. We got a lightweight battery he's going to throw in there. This guy, he knows how to drive, 17 years old, man. Alright, we're going for 10s. It's 28 inch tire, right?
28, yeah.
Alright, we got the GoPro inside. We're going to get his launch at the line, so we're just waiting for our group to go. So it's not fully weight reduced. He's got the normal battery in the back, not hooked up to anything. We just put the light battery in the front. We have nowhere to put the battery, so he's going to drag it along with him. So we're putting the small battery in now, and I guess the battery will be ballast for top the 60 foot. He cut it 1.8 60 foot. He's going for a 1.5. So, all right, I'll see you at the starting line.